Love it. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Colette again, and I am back with another video. So this is going to be a combo video. I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick way of how I got this look, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this, pixie style. It was very easy. So guys, I'm not gonna say much, but I'm just gonna jump right into this video, showing you guys how I got all of these, because this video is gonna be quite long. Just please be patient with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you share, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new here. I love you all so much, and let's get right into it. See you guys. So we're gonna be starting off with a fresh relaxed hair. Make sure that you apply enough mousse to be able to work on any pixie cut style. And that's it, you guys. I know this is so easy, right? It's a must try. Please make sure you try that, and let me know if you're gonna do it down in the comment section. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair, let it stay in overnight, because I like to work with a completely dry hair. It's the next morning, and before we enjoy this hairstyle, rock this hairstyle, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this little transformation, starting off with my eyebrow. I'm going to be using this, my old school baby. This is the Radiant Cover concealer. This is the kind of concealer you want to wear. This is in the color dark neutral. Okay, so I'm gonna just, this is so easy to use, you guys. For my lip, I'm using my eyebrow pencil to outline my lip, and then I'm going to be using my black written concealer on my lip, you guys. Yes, and make sure that your lip is moisturized before you do this. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Ruby Case highlighter. Notice I did not set my highlighter area right after I apply my concealer because I am rushing. So please make sure you do this if you have enough time, because it's going to give you a far So guys, I love it.